Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to put a logo on a shirt in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is go to Quick Selection tool. Then after that, drag to select the shirt. Just like that. Now after that, you have to press the Ctrl J on your keyboard and then press the Ctrl L to show the contrast. Just adjust the contrast, depends on how you want to look the shirt. After that, click OK, and then what you're going to do now is go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Make sure the radius is on 3. Now click OK. Now after that, just hide the background and save this to your device. You can name this displays or displacement, since we're going to use this later on. Now after that, click save and then delete this layer and show the background. Now after that, just drag or place the logo that we're going to use and then drag it to the place you want to put the logo on the shirt. Now after that, click enter and then right click and then go to convert to smart object and then select the logo. Now go to filter and then select distort and then displace. Now make sure the horizontal and vertical scale is on 10 and then select the previous file we saved. Now after that, change from normal to multiply and then right click the layer and then go to blending option. Now hold Alt on your keyboard and then adjust the underlying layer, depends on how you want to look the logo to the shirt, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.